Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure SLA on ASA. This is our topology. Please understand the IP addressing and topology correctly, then start the configuration. We have R1, R2, ASA1, VLAN 10, 20, 30. R2 F0Y0 IP address 101.1.1.1. It is primary ISP for ASA. R2 another interface F0 by 1. Its IP address 102.1.1.1. It is secondary ISP. Now what we will do, we will configure SLA on ASA. Let's start with VLANs 10, 20, 30. Start with VLANs. No VLAN 2 2000, VLAN 10 20 30, R1 in 10, 10, 2, 20, R1 in 10, R2 in 20, R2 another interface 30, R2 30, yes, R1 in 10, 2 in 20, R2 another interface 30. Then we have to configure ASA. ASA is connected with 10, 10, 11, 20, 12, 30 to show history. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. VLAN configuration complete. Let's come to R1. R1 F0 by 0, no shut. IP address 1.1. IP address 1.1. Its lane 192.168.101.1. 192.168.101.1. Do show history. Vein 1.1, 101.1. Then we have to go to R2. R2 F0 by 0. This one 0 by 1. This one loop back. This one do show history. 101.1.1.1, 102.1.1.1, 1.1.1.1 complete. R2 complete. Then go to ASA. ASA is here. Enable conft hostname ASA1. Interface gig 0 by 0, no shut. Name if inside. IP address 1.2, 1.2. Let's configure routing between R1 and ASA. Go to R1. Router EIGRP 100, no auto summary. Network any network. Do show history. Then we have to go to ASA. Go to ASA. Router EIGRP 100. No auto summary. No auto summary. Network 1.0. Show int IP brief. Show running config router. Done. Router EIGRP 100. Network 1.0. Redistribute static metric bandwidth delay load reliability. MTU. Show running config router. Okay. Then what we will do? 0 by 1. Interface gig 0 by 1. No shut. Name if outside 1. Security level is 0. IP address this one. Gig 0 by 2. No shut. Name if outside 2. Security level 0. IP address 102.1.1.100. Done. Show int IP brief. Show int IP brief. 1.2, 101.1.1.100, 102.1.1.100, 1.2, 101.1.1.100, 102.1.1.100. Done. Now what we will do, we will configure default route to our primary ISP. So route outside 1 any IP any mask, this one route outside to any IP any mask, this one change the AD 10, done. Show route out, not outside, show int IP brief, interfaces are configured, show running config, routing protocol we have configured, show running config route. 101.1.1.1 it is primary, so we are using AD here. We are using administrative distance 1. 102.1.1.1 secondary, so we are using AD 10. So show route. We have default route toward outside 1, outside 1, done. This one. If ASA interface 0 by 1 will goes down, then show route outside 2 will come in the routing table. No shut again, show route, then again outside 1 will come in routing table. Now assume there is no problem with our network, but reachability with ISP goes down. Okay, go to ASA. ASA is able to communicate with its primary, its secondary, but ping to 1.1.1.1 it will go via primary trace route. To this one it will go via primary, but there is a problem with service provider, means ISP1 F0 by 0 R2 F0 by 0 shut down. When ISP1 is down, then you can see here it is not able to communicate with 1.1.1. So in this case we have to use secondary ISP. Go to ASA, and here check show route, but still route is with outside 1. Now what we have to do, if 0 by 1 will goes down, it will swap, or it will use another ISP or another default route, but no problem with our network, but ISP network goes down. So what we have to do to solve this problem, we will use here SLA, service level agreement. We will say to ISP, our primary is this one, we will say to ASA, not to ISP, if you have reachability with ISP, then only use it, otherwise use another. So go to ASA, show route outside 1, ping working, okay, show running config route, clear configure route. Command is here SLA monitor 1, type echo protocol IP ICMP echo, destination ping to this one, source interface outside 1. Then we have to define frequency. After every 1 second it is saying frequency cannot set less than timeout, so timeout 1000 millisecond, then again frequency, send it after every 1 second, exit, SLA monitor scheduled 1, start time now, lifetime forever, done. Show running config SLA monitor. We are saying to ASA that you have to check the reachability with this one, and you will take the source IP address outside 1. You will send this request after every 1 second. This SLA start time now, lifetime forever. We have to put a command track object, for example 11, response time reporter of SLA1, check reachability, done. Show history. Till now we have configured SLA. SLA we have called in track. Track is 11. Show track. Track is up. Then put command route outside one any IP animas. This is our primary, but if track, which one? Track 11 is up. Otherwise route outside to any IP animas, this one, change AD 10 or 5 whatever. Show running config SLA monitor. SLA monitor says that I will check the reachability with this one using source IP address of this interface after every 1 second. Now this condition is for forever. Show track. This SLA we have called in track. Track ID 11. When response is coming, it is up. If track is up, show running config route. If track 11 is up, we will send the packet to primary ISP. Otherwise we will switch to another. Show route. We are going to primary ping 1.1.1. Reachable, yes, reachable. Now what you have to do, you have to shut the R2 F0 by 0 means primary ISP. Go to R2 interface F0 by 0, interface F0 by 0, shut down. When primary ISP will goes down, go to ASA, show track. Track is down, show route. Then you can see route is from outside to ping.1.1.1, still working. When ISP will come up, reachability with ISP will again up, no shut. Then go to ASA, show track. Track is up. When track is up, again show route outside one, working. So this was our SLA. Thank you.